Lezi dubedube zisuswe ukuthi umnyango wezasekhaya ulayishe emavenini abanye abantu abebehlezi lapha ngenhloso yokuyocikica amaphepha aqinisekisa ubuzwe baseMalawi. Lokhu akwehlanga kahle kubo njengoba bagcine sebecabanga ukuthi bayaboshwa bakhanda amaphoyisa ngamatshe.
We want to go in our country. We came here. Now why are you taking us? We put in the van again. We must go for what? For what?
Ngoba abantu bayasayina la emva kwaloko bayokibela eveni sithini manje.
Inxusa laseMalawi livumile ukuthi umsindo ususwe ukuthi akubangabikho ukuxhumana phakathi kweziphathimandla kanye nabo kufika baseMalawi mayelana nokulayishwa kwabo emavenini.
The Home Affairs, they say no, we are taking these people to process them in court. No one is being arrested. But now the thing is, what I'm seeing, the small mistake is they never know anything about this. So when they see the people going into the van, they were thinking now they are being arrested.
Isimo besishube kakhulu kangangoba inxusa liphoqeke ukuthi lishayele ucingo abantu baseMalawi asebelayishwe emavenini ukuqinisekisa ukuthi bebengaboshwa.
They put a video call, then I see the guys are happy, they are in Johannesburg. They are at the filling station where they are resting, waiting for the bus which gonna now being transit to Malawi. They will shift from that bus to go to Malawi. That's the issue here.
Kunokukhathazeka ngokwanda kwesibalo sabantu asebethutheleka eSherwood nakuba amabhasi efika usuku nosuku ezophungula. Iziphathimandla zizama ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abekho abantu baseMalawi abasebenzisa lesi simo ukuze bazitholele ithuba lokugoduka mahala.
We need to stop that. We can't now have everybody coming from across the country reporting here and expecting a free ride from here back home, because that's the impression I also got, that this is just now no longer an issue of running away from whoever is threatening them, but it's just an opportunity now to get home at no cost.
Bevile izinkulungwaneni eziyisithupha abantu baseMalawi abasahlezi eSherwood abalinde ukugoduka.